If you're dealing with dry, cracked hands, O'Keeffe's Working Hands Cream is one of the top-rated solutions available. With a 4.8-star rating on Walmart from over 800 reviews, this concentrated hand cream is known for healing, relieving, and repairing extremely dry skin. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. What makes O'Keeffe's Working Hands Cream effective? This hand cream is designed to instantly boost moisture levels and prevent further moisture loss by forming a protective barrier on the skin's surface. It contains glycerin, a powerful humectant that draws moisture into the skin, helping to restore hydration and prevent cracking. Unlike many other creams, O'Keeffe's Working Hands is unscented, non-greasy, and safe for people with diabetes. The formula absorbs quickly, making it ideal for frequent use without leaving a slippery residue. After washing your hands to lock in moisture. After bathing when your skin is most receptive to hydration. Before bedtime to allow deep overnight absorption. Users often report noticeable improvements within a few days, with some seeing relief almost immediately. Customer reviews: what are people saying? With over 800 ratings on Walmart, O'Keeffe's Working Hands receives consistent praise for its ability to heal cracked skin and provide long-lasting hydration. Many customers highlight its fast-acting formula, noting that it reduces roughness and discomfort quickly. Positive reviews. Fast results: many users experience relief within a few days. Non-greasy, absorbs quickly without leaving a sticky feeling. Works on severely cracked skin, ideal for people with hands exposed to harsh conditions. Some drawbacks. Requires reapplication. While effective, frequent use is needed for long-term hydration. May take time for deep cracks to heal. Some users with severe skin issues need consistent application. Is O'Keeffe's Working Hands worth it? With a 4.8-star rating on Walmart, O'Keeffe's Working Hands Cream is a proven solution for anyone struggling with dry, cracked hands. Its fast-absorbing, fragrance-free formula makes it perfect for daily use. While it may require frequent application, its ability to lock in moisture and repair skin makes it one of the best hand creams available today.